PremierTV is easy to use once it's installed on your devices. Let's get started with PremierTV using your Apple TV device. From the home screen, select the PremierTV icon. Swipe up or down on your remote to navigate through the channel guide. As you do this, a description of a highlighted program will display at the top of the screen. To watch a highlighted program, press the center of the touch surface or the play button on your remote and select Watch. The PremierTV tab bar gives you easy access to the program guide, your recordings, and the search feature. To open the tab bar while you are in the channel guide, simply press the menu button on your remote. To search for a specific program, choose the search option from the tab bar. Use the remote to enter the name of the program you are searching for. Then, select the desired program from the list of live, upcoming, and recorded results and choose to watch or schedule a recording. To watch a recording, select the Recordings option from the tab bar. Scroll through the list and select the program you want to watch. Then, press the touch surface of your remote to view the recording details and select the option to watch. To record a live or upcoming program, select the program and navigate to the option to create a recording. You can then choose to set a one-time recording or a series recording, which will record episodes of a series as they air on TV. Once a recording is set, you can access and manage it from the Recordings option in the tab bar. Scroll through the list and select the program you want to view or manage. You can choose to watch or delete a recording, or select the Edit option to adjust the start and end times of the recording, which is helpful for live events that may run past their scheduled time blocks. Click Save to confirm your changes. Your PremierTV recordings are automatically deleted after 90 days. To protect a program from auto-deletion, select the program and choose the Edit option. Navigate to the Protect option and press the touch surface to choose Yes. Select Save to protect the recording. Under the program title, a gray and blue shield icon will appear to indicate that the program is protected from auto-deletion. Some programs have the option to restart from the beginning. This is indicated by a green restart icon in the guide and program description. To restart the program, press the touch surface of your remote to select the program. Then, choose the Start Over option to watch the program from the beginning. Before you can add PremierTV to additional compatible streaming devices, you'll need to generate a login and passphrase from a device that already has the app. You can do this from the PremierTV app on your phone or tablet, or from the Apple TV device that you're already logged into, which is what we'll do here. From the Apple TV home screen, open the PremierTV app and navigate to Settings. Scroll down to highlight Devices and then select the Add button. You will see login and passphrase fields with numbers beside each. These are what we'll use later. Now, on the device you'd like to add PremierTV to, navigate to the search feature and search for PremierTV. For this demonstration, we'll install PremierTV on an iPhone. Download and install the app. Once it's installed and you open the app, choose to add a new account. You'll be prompted for the login and passphrase, which we located earlier on our other device. Enter these numbers and then pair the device. We hope you enjoy PremierTV. If you'd like more information on using different features of PremierTV on your Apple TV device, visit our online help center at mypremieronline.com.